Kubera ntuba guthawatanite na batu tukuboro arekire mbango yo siasa. Turenda kwariria Ndiunga ya Dcp ndene ya county ya Meru kiama kiambirirwe Meri Mikai Mithuru na ibethirite bakithiulunka nthiguru ya Kenya kuambia Kenya no boni etumi ike kiama kwithira kireo kiria gitongeretwe ni ura wari munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na county ya Meru nende ibabangite Ndiunga yore kethire kiambiria ntuku ya ruyu Jumamosi na kinya ntuku ya Jumapili na tongerebo Meru na mithika linturi ni umwe wa tongeria ba national barabara kiamenekiu ari organizing secretary tukubaro ari kiri mubango wa siasa ndina Mheshimiwa Karo Muriuki ni umwe wa tongeria kiameneki na ni umwe wa tongeria ndene ya county ya Meru digenda thira itueleza imbio biongwa babanganiti kureta county ya Meru moroto yake ya makia DCP ndene ya mwongo yo Kenya kaba kurwa na Rais William Ruto nontuni baumarire kirithirikari kana imbi murungamo yo ndene otongeria boki ya maki arena batu kulukira 23578 na betu SMS through live kri Facebook through live kri YouTube nkedra nkidoma ntumirichia kura tuweta na mbere na mubango karibu sana mwishi.
Asante sana.
Utaginya mubango ni yoyo harwe siasa ano tedra tukiaride mantu ya siasa cia Kenya na siasa cia Meru kethia Meru
mugeni ya Meru na iboega sana nontu bwa kwithira ndi programu ne eku they very excited nontu kwaririria mantu ja kiama getu kia DCP ere tuge nio maiden interview ya kiama getu so asante sana.
Alright, now Mheshimiwa Karo reason ya kiama kia DCP kwa county ya Meru ntuko ithatu imbi
mbere ma nkenda gukwira kiama kia DCP kitijite Meru ake kintu kira tukuthithia twina familiarization tour nthiguru yonthe nontu kiama giki tikia umba kuga ikiama gia specific region kou tugeitania Meru nande twijite kuriungira Meru tubakethie tubenderie sera cia kiama gitu tubonerie officials ba kiama gitu nikenda recruitment process ira twitite nontu tukethira twina massive recruitment drive twithirwa antu already baraba imashinani nontu imashinani naja nande turi antu already iba embrace te kiama gitu kana iba bambirite kumenya mipangirio kana mipango ya kiama giki nikenda bambirio tonya two in their numbers kwethirwa at least tegintu gikero gikwambiria kana te tatu kuboneria mantu ja Meru imantu twarikithanirie nabo na beretikiria na ndi kwandikithia na kusonga na mbele.
Kiama kia DCP kiumire na muthuro nontu mutongerio kiama ki na umarire kithirikari kana ni agenda ya Kenya inakyo
nandi au kwa muthuro ukuthukia nontu kithea kwi kiama kina wiru na kiama gikuresonate na mtu wonde ikiama kiu kinyaka na kanini kariuga skiza ground na nda mtu omba kwithirwa kiama othithi nyo wantu already iwe kumenya imbi ukwariria tukethira tumite muthuro te muthuro jurio na ni eu nio i propaganda barabangi tuga the opponents bakwenda ku propagate about kiama kenda kithirwa kina false start but urampombo kwira kiama getu gitina muthuro kiama getu kina agenda na agenda ira twinio ni agenda gutetheria mukenya kuringana na mbi na maono jara mbi jai ground turenda kuthikira mukenya no politics is about people siasa ni antu na antu mantu jara bakwenda kuthithirwa ijo kuthikira kenda weta na ndi weta muntu ja ugwe mbigwe na teba kwenda kithe communication bill kwirirwa babwe buriwa atantu baminda twabuthikira tueta baraba parliament twabere na antu bamindia kenda inya tomba gwikia media yetu to CNN level tubwiri kuandika maktaba yetu jeje na sheria ere gakaria media sheria ere gakaria mukenya kutena invasion of privacy kutena invasion of business na integrity ya biashara ikethora ni kwa upheld at any one time so those are the jo mantu jara batu mantu jara to andaliete wa Kenya. The table is large. Tuina full course. Na course yetu ntumba kuga 6 piece kana I mean it's a full course. Turamberia boga no temo Kenya te included. Kwa mantu ja kuga jara ja kuga ti imuthuro Oteke amake na weruja gike. Kinya wogwa nditheria unago.
No, skiza ground, ibo weta skiza ground. Imbo kuthikira ground. Ni nini mnasikiza?
Kusikiza ground?
Maya kusikiza ground tutakuelewa kusikiza ground ikuwa ate.
It's actually gento kira tueta in communication tagline. Tagline neo yumba mbere na gichunko kidogo. Yantu ngwire nande ukenda umba ufafanua Kimiru. Tagline neo yumba ku accentuate the brand. What brand yeku stand for what? Nande brand yetu as DCP ekiama a political party. Nembi eto ekete to political party wholesome yetu imbi ikodikera mbi ground kena mantu jaraja eke DCP ijara humanity na mwananchi wa kawaida ijo chaende ene are te mantu jeto ore to chira te politicians no I mantu ja jensi e haundene tumesikiza tueta kindenge ke mantu ja konye mwananchi wa kawaida kide imuritoa skuru muritoa university au mantu jawe tumemsikiza we Nande, you understand. So the tagline speaks for the entire brand. The brand is about people and the manto ja konyanto. Na anto nabo ikodikero. Nanto nuije siasa na chio karega kodikera muntu na tawerawa. O wimbi aterawa. Atedikaira. No kuigwa? Nande nanto wathani na bubo egi pawe ko chiara kumanya kire anto. Nande manto jara anto bakwenda ijo weta oka document kenda wemba kwethero ina political party enjega ire komba gugutetera gisheria.
President William Ruto aruwa babu gutena agenda yanu Ruto must go. Kwe agenda bwenyo?
Ewu iria mbere. Ewu iria mbere.
Ireko?
Ko Ruto must go ewu ni agenda mbere. So no to kida if we want to win elections, we want to win elections against somebody. So that person must go so that we can occupy. There is nothing wrong with that. Siasa. Kokuga atuka agenda engiriko etekuga Ruto must go. No mongatu muhebaberie number 1 kenda mantu jara to inajo to skise the ground tomba kombi kwa actualize mantu jara no ntote mupango ne jojo eto kwa no ntote mupango ne jojo eto kenda batu tomba kwa actualize mantu jara to skise the ground no monkete you must leave kakwe bonge potubu
Alubura tubuna kira power kinya boka ukia iga notes
kanira power munene okwa tutumba kwa rigi no tunuije na nuije mantu a sheria ni kali menya constitution ya Kenya 2010 mantu neja koni transition uka tutari na handover power aja o Meru kutira ni handover ma sheria na mchunko wa the law is ana dojoreri ya wangi NWS na imusemeno ukata ndege
bara na nyuma
kwa winya antobaraba committee of experts baraba dida ya batunga sheria retu ibategete at all aspects inya antobaraba mba kuja kuregera mobishine so mantuja assumption of office kwa no bishire is supposed ku hand over we mantuja sheria hiyo
no Mheshimiwa Karo umete Mount Kenya East, right? Professor Kithure Kindiki umete Mount Kenya East.
East na West ni riko.
No, Mount Kenya East is Embu, Tharaka Nithi, Meru.
Inaandiki nao.
That is what you understand.
Mantoja political, political boundaries.
But kirindiri unkwenda kuria. So coming from the same region, nino ntubutte kwenda kwa your son kana your brother kanya kinyaba myaka wili atiaritie at least Kenya bona wathani bwa we ni bonde bwa Gachagua in 2 and 2.5 years.
Gachagua weka banka bond. Isn't he a brother? Who is a brother? Onimbe tanani na brother ya Biblia. So ote ongempomba ko describe brother na Biblia. So both of them are my brothers. Kindiki is my brother na Gachagua no my brother. Nande oni Kindiki has never endeared to me. Otere jambera Karo mchoto aranirie ukonie mantu jara tomba kudithiria Meru ahe nini in any case mantu jara mbonete Kindiki akithithia ikora mwana Mumeru.
In which way?
In every way. Ikwari na proposal munya for example munya na propose to rentore agwita itwo igwa propose to munya nekirwe kendomba go fit imbi profile ere lentore lakini with all intents and purposes. Kindiki 14. He did.
The propaganda, mheshimiwa?
Well, it could be propaganda, it could be otherwise, but siasa nije how it goes. When something is said that it so and so stopped me from assuming that position, it becomes the truth.
What else?
Number 2, kwena metheka na areaja. Nejere arauga wazi. President ya mwekirite mbi loudspeaker. Aringira mutano nginonge, the brother, the real brother. Na ndio uombera my brother amoringira. Amoria ate. Amoria manto ametheka nate. No ntoateje metheka area. Kabwiri guita meyari area iteria. Kitharu tu atari maybe mtorizo nabo ka metheka atari au that time ka koringio karate. Taringio mwenga. So what we are trying to say, we have not personally oninde karo ntero na sema kindiki nyakwa deputy president wa Kenya. Number 1 itokuona Kome Jafet mwana no dimenti ajukiria rengwa ngugene. Up to now nothing has happened. Nituona baba ngiura benga irua benge baeberua ajukaya bagaye wa soft landing. Kome na inarai mwana no dimenti. Ituone the positions batwe to promise it through politics. For example, kuna gitu tura promise it kia Meru, kia TSC. Tura promise it. Na kero gegeta oburi. I mean, you know, we promises. Ojo kuona baba ngiba ke drum up support for other people. Gitike we kiretere. Na kireri kia Meru. Actually kira targeted a very senior teacher here, a doctor in that case. Lakini kiretere na ibo kuga to na DP officine. Kuna a lot of promotions ibu rikwethero ikithitheka. Then civil service yetu. Na ituonere ndira professor Mudaura. Are head of civil service. We saw ora Meru bakirire nonto yada purpose. Mberema atachiunganisha na siasa. Mudaura was intention yawe yari gukuria. Rutere romete na gikuraia Kenya yote. Yonde. But you see politics iran kona kindike sheda. Politics chia backwardness mono. I'm very sorry.
Apart from those personal appointments, Kindiki has been in Meru severally kiri empowerment program chiawe. Putikwanda mwana mumero okero through this empowerment apart from babu ibo with the positions.
Ndio me, I'm a child of empowerment out there. Kindiki carries a very heavy office. Obviously a deputy president ite obviously nkai. But kulinga na orendo onere Professor Jitara ora mwendantu jere jora karimia kuruka kanisene ya ntune au Methodist kana nya karirwara akuruka tuwe mugeni weshima. Ntonere I did not feel him and the expecta no dimenti eje kana Meru County nera kwenda kwa associate no mono nda expecta eja na power kithirikari. No ndo power kithirikari atia. Boke manifesto yao ya UDA bari na mantu jaetawa bottom up economy. Ke bottom up economy ndathugani ya professor keja kamatite 2 major institutions nawe. Institution etawa Sasra kenomba ko didiambi ko structure kede bonda na mama mboga ichonde into proper cooperatives. Kenda bomba gutapumbi mbecha cha cooperative. No kwera? Twene nya PS o cooperatives. Weto PS kelemi ntamonere area. Twena PS or Roji. Departments ire chonde tie within departments tiokonia Omeru na wiri ukamata nabo. Na wiri koja na Kenya Dairy Board. Kenya Dairy Board ibaraba regulate amantu jakoni area. You should have come with them here. Na wiri na koja na ntuba Calro. Kenya Agricultural Research and Livestock Organization Calro. Ibo ba ya ero ba ide mantu jakoni tea research. Iba dide ya mantu jakoni nya ku propagate mantu jangoko. Feed animal feed na mantu jajau. Ndenge kudogania Kenya empowerment yewe turinge kuona inya antuba KI. No tuiba eja na mikopo young industries, cottage industries call them. Ko ntonere Kindiki ajete ki othirikari. Ndamonere ajete ki individual. Ikyo no tuona inya setup ira yare setup ya individual. There was nothing state about that setup. Ninyo tegera inya empowerment yongwa. There is no way nainda amwirere by the way te anta amwirere no ntona ntomere ka ndo kwe ndaandikite WhatsApp
so babu bora yana na
ndaandikite something on WhatsApp so mtu mama ajokia mo screenshot ra mutumira ndajokirie na professor knows I don't lie, this is the truth. Ndamwire professor, this is bad for you, you need to work on your legacy. No ntoteu empowerment yomba kwethira in on a stage. Ndamwira you need to structure it. Ina youth fund yere nde wejete empowerment, ina women fund yere nde wejete empowerment. Ndathugani yake na host of all those people including Roslyn Jogu. Oh kama tete mantoja koniembi diaspora kendoneria youth yoraba bwiri kothithia ate ahegwa chance te mantoja sokota dance yapana empowerment ya thirikari ethero ena musemojo kariu na nyambe tiri ikothwa uria chitete kiri ikundi bieko. Who are the beneficiaries? Beneficiaries, how are they arrived at? Na ndio wona tukiauga okolea Promax utemwanya jayo by the way na area kawira utemwanya buru nora na state kawira niyo ena ngita
bitigire mashimo tuyoke break ngona message ire nyingi muno cha kudoma tuchoka inkwenda utwira solution ire ko babu maybe bugethra bwenio if ibo bugetha buthirikane thai solution ire ko bomba kuthira bwenio kaiteneka na kinya kayuka DCP kiri mantu yonthe ya kuendelea Kenya including mantu ya abduction na youth pa bakuthira beto turo bo kinya ndere ne chabodi katuyokie commercial break tuchoke nyuma ya dakika inkai.
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwethie kugwethia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made ara maguricha gwete kuma magana jana na 120 monka magana mugwanja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 ake. Okenda mbeshe cia kuciurire guru ja toye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe mumeru akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twethirwe tutugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi. Turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati irere kithoka njire na Meru gwita Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka oda yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jeto tokarie bieto. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ne mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyangia na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Moguri wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujua nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujua nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatishia nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni
nice. Watu ekawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
Uri na kiroto ya kugura ngari kana munda gukiria biashara yaku kana kinya kuongera utonga bwaku aja Yetu Sacco itukombithia jau jonthe na Yetu Sacco Asset Finance Loan aroka gwata mukobo mainde kumija shares ciaku kenera kagita gakaraja kurea kamwanka miaka 5 na mareja manini. Yetu Sacco iri aja gukugwata mbaru ikinya gwekinya riongera rwangiro Yetu Sacco akuwi nagwe na uringe thimu gukurukira 0724 114 444 kana 0111 038 000 0. Yetu Sacco Asset Finance Loan, empowering you to dream big and achieve more.
Asilwela ukunqoba kuphela, kepha asilwela ukwakha isizwe esinohlonze. Sekunjalo.
Je, unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara kuu ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kutoka mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano. Vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa vilivyo na projector na vyenye mtandao wa haraka, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, flying bridge, camping, bonfire na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea. Kisimani Organic Farm ambapo utafundishwa kuhusu ukulima wa kisasa na salama wa mimea na mifugo, nyuki, samaki na ndege wa aina mbalimbali. Vyumba vya kulala vya kisasa na vikifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au makongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Kwa habari zaidi tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
Niliwaambia. Halo. Niletee kama kawaida.
Kama sio kavagara, wacha kiumane. Ulisikia wapi sherehe bila kavagara?
Wanaoijua wanaijua. Eti kavagara ya ugali na chapo zinaongoza sokoni. Kama hujakula ugali ya kavagara, usiseme umekula ugali. Chapo yapendeza na ugali je?
Hii chapati ni tamu sana.
Omera, sherehe bila kavagara sio sherehe.
Dukani usitishe unga, itisha kavagara.
Nkiama ya DCP batongeretwo ni Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua na Captain Mithika Lentore bakariunga kaunti ya Meru kwaraniria na ugo Meru nikenda kuibangania na tuibanga twinthe turi amwe.
Hi cousins. Hi Makuzo. Hi cousins.
Juma tariki 20 mweri jojo bakamberia nkobo kariene ebeje stage ya Skis Mutindwa gakoromone na barekerie mugutano. Juma mosi tariki 21 Mekindori Maoa Kiengo Mutuate Lare Kangeta na barekerie Kianjae. Nayo ntuku ya kiumia ni Roire Kerua Keberechia Timao na jorekerie tauni ya Nanyuke.
Kutoka Meru Waziri Mithika Lentore. Bwana asifiwe. Salamu alaikum. Basi yangu ni machache sana.
DCP sikiza Mkenya. DCP sikiza wa Kenya. Au niokuri nontu we want to make sure ngane tukwenda kwa picha Mkenya uwe bwawe ibukuthikirika na wina maana.
DCP sikiza ground, sikiza wa Kenya.
Nukwenda munda jo mwega Solution Housing and Investment iba gukumenyithia gurura na nyuki Prime Land ni miunda iri guntugu kwega na iri na title deeds ndene ya Nanyuki barabarene Nanyuki gwitaro Muruti akwina Olpajeta Conservancy na kilomita 5 akikuma Nanyuki town no witarire ploti yaku araika 5 shilingi milioni 8 ikiamwe shilingi milioni 5 nusu eka milioni 1.3 kuota eka ingiri 700 na anethia eka ni ingiri 150 kuria ni bobuthu no uri kuria deposit ya gichunche kia 30 no thirikiri wingi na ntuko 90 kana kobe loan kiri Solution Sacco. Miundeje ni miaga muno ya waki ni antu waega kagwika biashara na kinyago kuthithiria urimi. Ni untu bonte tonkurukiri ingira Solution Sacco kiri 0723 743 910 kana 0711 833 615 kana no uriungira website yao kiri www.solutionsacco.com. Solution Housing and Investment, your dream, our concern. Solution Sacco, your ultimate financial partner.
Ubeno ntubeta na mbere kurumira mubango URS siasa kiri Facebook. Dickson Mwenda Kithindi arua tell Mheshimiwa to ask incumbent Northiment MP why is spearheading the degrading of Rudie Kwanche Kienderu Road even after the community went through all procedural requirements including public participation and contract awarded, later to find contractors repairing Rudie Junction road with the same contracts. Kuna Nancy Kiruja Kawa, love you big CK, and in support of our own daughter too for MCA Nyakwes Doris Kajuju. Youth have been neglected despite the fact that they are the majority of our population and the leaders of tomorrow. Na Simon Mugera Kawa, DCP party manifesto should focus on the revival of the economy, job opportunities for the youth, fighting corruption, and prosecution of top officers who have embezzled taxpayers' money and adherence to the rule of law. Ungina wakawa Nicholas Murega Kawa, as long as the housing levy continues to appear on workers' pay slips, there is no reason to celebrate or applaud the government. It is unjust to force and working Kenyans to fund projects they may never benefit from, only for a select few to profit, while the rest are expected to buy houses at market rate. Until this burden is lifted, we shall not sing praise and worship songs. Arambe, all right, sawa. Now, Mheshimiwa, let us come to this. Kuna message ntumba kudoma chionde. But now, atongereba kiama ki including you, ibo blame abunge sana. Na abunge babo ko blame, bedra baki legislates through the parliament. Na manturabe kubwethia ni ya utethiri tha Kenya kanokuluke sheria idachu favor mu Kenya kana chumbo tongeria nthikuni ya Kenya imbithine enu na bunge ba Kenya.
Actually kwena thine nene muno. Thine ria twinio thai ndene Kenya, especially ruterero rwetu, equality of the leaders that we have. Quality no tugategera na imbijite ku appreciate na nyawe ngwendenda odithia research ugategera ruterero rwa tuge ODM, the quality of debate even on the floor of the house. Mantujera bareta imantujera bakumenya number 1 jagatetheria antu bao. Number 2 ibaije nyabongo petro ba opposition bakomba kombaso thirikari gukurukira sheria kenda bona maendeleo ruterero wao. Ndeji I praise and worship team. Nanda kwira kithia twina antu atongeria farm na batina ogua mantuja maingi muno jaringija thithikite, especially Meru yetu nontu thairia ogwe twitenandike Africa thairia mwekoro kwa kwenda ku get at you kasithuraia akaithuria mwanga kenda bire akwenda naja Meru ntikumeana ata kwa karire mani angaba tije kuithuria kenda bachoa meka babwiri kuithuria bagasimbia na kenda na ndentu kwira bachoa maendeleo jara bagwita kwaririria ari age president te mantu ja gwita kwirwa ore bwaringa kura namna irio nkabuthithia bure no vote yao ateni nyomwira ke legislation agenda yao ni bwiri kwitherwa kimakaira mwana Meru, lakini ukoona quality retu ni sorry to say na oni mpete ajumbe betu kiteo sana, lakini on this floor this parliament yeje bondi bagwite kigerio kia gukurukira uteteri bwa Meru na inya gukurukia sheria iria bagwitikiria ikurukua batibwiri kwithirwa baikuruka ya sheria wholesome na bara bainge bamoi baba thomu muno bathomete sana babweri guchunkuna ukona sheria ejiri iga affect mwana mumeru atia na ntokintu kira ki affect mwana mumeru iga affect mwana Turkana no nto global problems are global especially tia Kenya kwa batu turiuga atire twikia makigetu ngate atu bakashifu atu kuga babu abunge ibo tugwithitie sana no nto keja kwithira buru bomba kujuke bo akurukia sheria iri ukumenya kaitite kuinyeria mtore ogwitango geja ogwe mbije buinyeretwe ore okurukirie sheria u MP oku ikyo no to kuga batwe twe DCP itukwenda ku bring dignity to the payslip mtu no monka gwirirwo gwitango gene no nto nande gintu kira tukethera twina kyo even employers bakambirie ku lose very potential employees baraba nonto mtu keja kwethirwa nyumura statutory deductions ni gweta almost 60% which even sometimes is against the law no kuigwa ukethirwa no kugitweje when deductions on top of other deductions na deductions iji imwe ni unexplained so MP betu ibaba bwiri gweta bageta na sheria bakauga kuringana na oran ground yekari manto jaja tuendelea ajo we are losing ground mtu ageta ageka sheria agaikia motion to amend some of the deductions that there are kana inyaba ka reduce the percentages kenda kombera ko inya dignity kembi ke payslip yetu alafu gintu kingi kirambonete kirage kuinyeria ntu ne tuge execution emantu jara maybe jakwendekana public participation yeje either just an exercise patite kama nto seriously bakarithia antonde babera nonto twitite kuthithia mantu jaja nojo na oni gintu kingi mbona kina thina ki thirikari je UDA bari na manifesto njega muno lakini bari na manifesto rambe buga it was choking
and your party leader was part of it
choking party leader kwa rira twari mbas ka urirwe ndari mbas
no ndiriariria umutongerio thayo kiama kia DCP
no ntuna boy bategete bwategera Mheshimiwa Lintore kana ojo Gachagua ibategete bona thina cia ntu na ba come up with a good manifesto. That's why they won the elections anyway. You know, you win an election based on your convincing power kulingana na manifesto area wenyo. Manifesto yao was endearing to the people. Not about bottom up, hustler, mantujajau, a lot of promises. But ora wakarire kwa ere top bottom. Ote na hustler apiaga. Not to number one. Ntona pa nominate kinya hustler mwe ndene embi a legislative agenda yao. Ote hustler we parliament, ote hustler we embi. Now, by the way, do you know a lot of these border guys are very educated? Oramenyo. So baringi kupiki nyamwana omwe baba tonyithia ki agenda ichi yao baringi kuteria mono. Alafu gento kingi tugenya agenda yao araba banegetere their own agenda. Better ki mantu jaraja te ukinyera the person they told we are going to fix the economy.
So babu na solution ya mantu ya onde?
Tuina solution.
How?
Solution number one, itokwenda kudithia ku jumpstart the economy. Na ku jumpstart the economy is a very simple thing. Simple economics. Okatega factors ya demand na supply. Ina demand iri. Tuina a lot of Kenya, by the way, is Kenya ithero ina gintu kimwe. Workforce ya Kenya globally is so acceptable everywhere. Ikiona ntukwene nya a lot of labor export. Na inkori atire labor export fine. What about non-tuato tueka net importers pakureta? How can we make ourselves producers na manufacturers? Kokethro kwina agenda njega kuthithinya ku incubate cottage industries ichi chia nyumwira chia textile. Ndikana gitare Uhuru augite buy Kenya, build Kenya. Ikwari na that agenda. You buy from Kenya, you build Kenya. So that when you're importing a garment, ikethorere expensive nkurukia kuthithia ate. Ko ba bwiri kweja ba plug in non to mantujara ja bwiri koriambi cottage industries nini kenda tomba kuthithia ate. Kwethora mega ko industry kanini ga kurua ikaeja something. Take example station ije yenu weru arabu mete. Ndirateka inya Sinovate yenu nkona thai ke radio station wero your second TV then Meru. If somebody is not watching Citizen, they're watching wero. Incubation area thithirwe mwanka era a big media house nene wetete. So within no time ukona nande inyake channel chionde. So orato kuga atire itubwiri go change economic model yetu tukarega kwethara twe consumers tukaethara twe producers.
Right.
No kuigwa? That's number 1. Number 2, itubwiri go solve with immediate effect issue of joblessness ya ana betu. Na the only way itubwiri go ethara tugitaga how many graduates are we churning out? Nandaga graduates to university aki across board. How many are we churning out? How ready are we? Ministry of planning in Biekodidia. How ready are we to absorb these people in the job market, in the production market, in the hospitality industries? Itubwiri kwethera twitaga the wholesomeness economy yetu na tukenda tumba kwethera nya joblessness yereo kinyaja Meru kwibara bakomba kuthithia ata intake kwena uptake yembi in terms of jobs. Lakini nande gintu kingi na kira kena importance imantu jakonie economic empowerment of the young people. Economic empowerment of the young people will not just take donations iri kuthithwara tubwiri guteka institutions na iria chiena structure na twatithetheria kenda tuthithia ata chiombo kuria. For example, kwena institution ye itawa MSME Small and Micro Enterprises Authority. Area edilana the small enterprises and dai nye ibako weja na equipments bakomba kwethora ibako weja na ambi equipments na ko ibaba dide yenya thoko ici yetu. So na tia generation ye yetu yomba go tap in kenda bomba kwegwa kithe incubators ire chia gukuria nguku kithe i ya tugenya ja solar panels yu cha kura roje nambi mantucha mengi. That authority how can it be exposed to the young people especially in Meru? Kenda tomba kodidi ata ikeno ntutukwera professor bring us institutions, bring us people who can watapatia kwejo tunenkera donations.
Wow. Now voice ya DCP
ngedirekeria umbere twena issue nene aja yomba gutetheria ndiguru yetu ya Kenya ugategera in terms of vastness ye ndiguru ire tutumirika ndauga ndiguru ndugera the land ire tutumirika mantuneja koni agriculture but twena power Kenya tuka mechanize agriculture yetu tukomba go feed antu barba tukatiga kurete irio tukethero itu tukuthithia ata tukwendia na ana baba kwena lot of farm managers, animal production units na ambi mantu jajau nande apart from Meru Central ira twene aja ute ria ringi tomba kuthithia ata kugaiba produce area thirikari ni bwiri kuendelea na murandi chira chao chwa kweja na milk coolers to these small units tia dairy collection centers kenderia rira rithro rina wingi bwao igita nare murimi akathithia ata kongera kang'ombe na extension officers ba agriculture pakethori ba kweja ndiguru naja pakoneria arimi mantu jakonie urimi bobwega.
Fair enough. Now voice ya DCP kiri mantu ya kuendelea yonde ya abduction killing hii kumara kiri maybe mabisaba borisi what's your voice kiri mantu ya yonde
kiama getu kia DCP giokanusha sana mantu jaraja kuendelea especially jakonie extrajudicial killing na kukatel freedom of expression na kinya urani point in case mwana orora irirwa esel na nukuona kulingana na ura gwitite gukuona ni aria makinya jakathirira somebody's doorstep na gintu kingi kiria tubwiri gutegera ikwithirwa borisi bethera bakiuga utumishi kwa wote lakini nyote gambicere raumire Nairobi whereby borisi aende na musinka na aina colleague we na mutarimbo jwa nditangi civilian na bakora mtonge civilian beating another civilian under the guard of the police. Kiama getu gitigwitikanĩria na mantu jau na igĩitĩre statement na kirauga under no terms and circumstances will our DCP party be part of that kind of governance. Wou ikureta anarchy into the country whereby thirikari getikairia goons cheta into the city center kurana na kuia. That is really not leadership. In any case, indikana nya mwana kwa mboririe mam, what is going on in Nairobi? Has the president given a press statement? It concerns them even when they're outside. So imantu batu kia magetu tukua to condemn in the strongest terms. Tokauga, it is not acceptable, it is against the law, and we plead with the police officers of this nation to badingatere modijore badidiriata what they sought to do.
Right.
Yes.
Now our time is up na tukirikia mheshimiwa Yakaro. No kuromba iteke mbunge no thiment na kithia no kuromba, what's the reason?
Oni ndiromba kiteke no thiment MP. Imbije kuyantu barenda kuikira tumanto au bakauga Karo ate kwa mbejete muno na ndeku muno. Kiro kiteke MP wa no thiment nikenda tumba kwithirwa twina a good leadership ira tukulak right now. Ndikwira no kuona deputy president na rarea batu twina sub county twagitirwa ndathugana yantu kweu no twejite kwarai.
Sorry.
Ejete kwarai akajokia ere murkomencho twite ongwatie ngugire thithia ta kill two birds with one stone. Twite are dhurare pete balonchi rubeje mantone jai empowerment. That did not happen. Igen tututwire kuthithia ta ku cry for. No the meant in the prison ira andikana, for example. Bore kana katu chiarite the other day. Koiga kuomba kuona sub county na ana baka recruited on those sub counties. So in terms of numbers bore kedorena numbers nyingi mbi ngorokie no the menti. No the menti tuchokete na nyuma mono. In terms of maendeleo na inya promotions tia mantujeto twingwa. For example, na kiwiki nyage ntondira thugana ya either we have lost or something. Ndonere deputy president agita gwita artists ba Mount Kenya. Na ndino nto eta ba Mount Kenya, ugeri Mount Kenya East, ba Mount Kenya East na ndipo batenya production studio. Naenda thugana inya MP wetu aka kura au geito thithirie production artist betumbi better by na production studio modern. Iraba producer music yao na nto abatinda gwita nara Nairobi at a subsidized rate. Mantu jakonie barabara ukuiwe nya Dickson yau augera auga barabara yetu uria thithitwe. There is an allegation, and I call it an allegation, that kwe barabara yumite ara gwanchege kenda yumira ruterero rungi rwa kirwairu cross yore egwatana na engi ekende twika hai ni kwithirwa na downgrade barabara eu ati kwenda ikirwa rami arenda nakaeja na reason nakaandika baruga akauga no ati kwenda barabara eu ikira rami ndenda barabara yeji endere arembi Maram Road. Those are allegations. Na ndiba tukauga atire twategera road network yetu it's not working. Twategera education kwe nyange kuruka studio ambera kithomo getu akienderete uti mwana no thimenti ukairia mutwe utumba kuona this buruburu uti mwana umba kueta kuga in the 15 years you no ukiritu mutwe no tukutegera apart from mother kome na ito nchokerie ni gacagwa nkatho no ntumatha gacagwa no tumire mother kome achoka ari aumere araja muno. So what we are trying to say is that ndeku and I want to change the leadership that there is in North Imenti kenda tuona value UMP kureku we mwana njensi oka make sure oka menya karo flow on the parliament ntevotera gintu kira kya buinyeria. I'll bring proper representation legislation na inya oversight rankadithia oversight ere igakuria kana kamwana no thiment.
All right, thank you very much Mheshimiwa Karo ntubo kwa nakanya kwa kiri mubango yo aro siasa. Thank you very much kire brabon them ba ukari kiri mubango yo na ntumiri jeru ntroba kudoma cionde ni nyingi sana. We are waiting ruyo kuona Buikinyao na maybe amerubeterete kwa burete.
Bakanya mbera
Seconds please. Please seconds.
Koboria Buinde Meru karibu. Rojo, we are having our party leader Jawe His Excellency the Second Deputy President of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, aka Rigiji, nejete Meru na tuwe Meru, akethirwa Nkobo Kariene, Rojo, akurukiriaja no thimenti, akethirwa twe taskis, twete gakoromonere uturigirie mugutano, Saturday ainaja na Sunday ainaja kadiriria bure. Karibuni Meru, karibuni tushereke kiama getu kia DCP boje botuthikire batu tukwenda peace kinyanto baba koerwa beje ba disrupt michamanio yetu toruga we want peace nonto we are a peace loving Kenyan kwa ugo gatuma weja kuthukia muchamanio wetu nonto batu tukwenda vurugu turenda amani no gatuma guthukia muchamanio jo mtungi ogweja uthikire muchamanio kithwa tugwitikanire na jara tukwenda ana njeki kwa karibuni nyote na wakaribisha no thimenti, muwe na siku njema kesho na yenye fanyaka na tutaendelea pamoja kusikiza ground.
Asante. Thank you very much.